In this video, I will be showing you how to cancel a direct debit in Revolut. First, go to the transaction section. Click on See All to view all of your transactions. By default, you will be looking at past transactions, so switch over to the Upcoming tab. Here, you see your scheduled transfers and subscriptions. Find the direct debit you want to cancel and click on it. In this example, I will be cancelling a scheduled transfer set for tomorrow. Simply click Delete, then confirm by clicking Delete again. The direct debit will now be cancelled. That's how you can cancel a direct debit on Revolut. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Until next time, goodbye.